I wanted to join the RISE program because over the summer I wanted to do something really productive and scientific with my time. RISE was a great opportunity to do that because it's 6 weeks of pretty hands-on and intensive research.
I wanted to join the RISE program to try and get a background in hands-on research. I've never had the opportunity to participate in active research at a lab before, and I've always wanted to try and get the experience.
So what's great about RISE students is that they really care about being here. They're really gung-ho and they're really, really talented. So I love mentoring RISE students just because of the amazing passion and excitement that they bring for our projects.
I think the main reason why I wanted to join the RISE program is because it's honestly been my dream program since freshman year. I heard about it from one of my friends who got in before me, and just hearing about her experiences, getting to know her professor, seeing videos of her inside of the lab, and getting to know other peers really inspired me and drove me to apply for this program as well.
RISE was genuinely the most incredible experience it could have been. The mentorship that I received from my professor and my mentor was incredible. They were always there for me. Any challenges that I faced, they're incredibly understanding about everything, and they definitely helped me a lot through the process and helped me learn.
I definitely do think that this program and all the opportunities it's given me to tackle hands-on research in the lab has given me the permission to be curious and allowed for me to really be encouraged and empowered to ask questions. I would never really consider myself as a scientist, but I really thought of myself as a researcher when I was engaging and tackling those tough problems.
If you really care about doing great science, being part of a research group, getting to know faculty, and really getting a great project that you can be a real part of, you should absolutely apply to the RISE program.
You should apply to RISE if you are a dedicated student and a passionate student about research, because you will be able to experience all the hands-on lab work that you want to do, everything that you want to do in terms of analyzing data, conducting research experiments, getting access to different facilities. You will get that here, and you will be able to use that passion and turn it into progress later on.